Hey, it's Kylie from Gerber, and these are the Armbar Slims. Whether your day takes you to the office, the trails, or simply to the backyard, it's nice to know you can do more while carrying less. Taking cues from the original, the Armbar Slims cut the bulk and deliver only the tools you need in an ultra-compact footprint. Available in 2 variations, cut and drive, each is the ultimate in minimalism and houses the tools you reach for most. The Armbar Slim Drive delivers with a 2-inch extension bit driver to get those hard-to-reach spots. It also has a full plain edge blade that can be accessed with one hand. The Armbar Slim Cut has a 2.5-inch plain edge blade ready to take on full-size tasks. Easily accessible scissors work for snips, cuts, and everything in between. Take the training wheels off your pocket tool with a design that's built for real work. Common features across both include large tool tabs and access points for fumble-free operation with only your thumb. And when the work is done, you're ready with a bottle opener close at hand. The Armbar Slims are available in various colors. The Cut comes in burnt orange, onyx, and Baltic haze. The Drive comes in onyx, burnt orange, and bronze. Don't get caught unprepared. Throw an Armbar Slim in your pocket or on a keychain and get on with your day. Like all Gerber products, the Armbar Slims are back.
We introduce you to the old-timer 34 Old Middleman, a versatile 3-bladed pocket-friendly knife you'll carry with you day after day, selected for its strength and edge-holding ability. Each blade of the Middleman is forged from 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel. The 2 1/2-inch clip point blade is perfect for when you need a tough, sharp point to pierce. The blade's fine edge provides plenty of cutting and slicing power. The 1 3/4-inch spay blade is super sharp with an edge you can shave with and works great for those cutting tasks requiring a high degree of control, such as notching or when there is limited space for blade movement. When conditions call for extra care, utilize the sheepfoot blade with its blunt, rounded tip. The absence of a sharp point ensures the blade's cutting force is directed only where you want it, perfect for carving. Each blade of the 34 OT is easily opened with the help of a nail pull and stays in place until the cutting task is finished through the use of heat-treated back springs. 2-tone saw-cut OT handle slabs attached to brass liners with 3 matching brass pins are handsomely enhanced by twin nickel silver bolsters and bears the proud old-timer shield. Just over 3 inches closed, the Middleman is pocket-sized, yet big enough to tackle any job on the farm. Designed to serve you every day, yet built for generations, this is the 34 OT Middleman.
This is the Armbar from Gerber. Sometimes a knife alone doesn't cut it. That's where this compact multi-tool comes in handy. It's designed to fit in your pocket, but the tool pack rivals that of a full-size multi-tool. The Armbar features 8 tools, including a full-size plain edge blade that closes with a liner lock, pry bar, bottle opener, striking surface, and spring-loaded scissors. The Armbar cork handles your camp kitchen needs with a corkscrew, a lever arm, foil cutter, and a can opener. The Armbar Drive is perfect for anything that comes up on the go, featuring a 2.5-inch driver with a double-sided bit, as well as an awl. With the Armbar cork and drive, you have everything you need to upgrade your pocket.